In today's class, we are going to discuss arc, sector and segment. Here we will discuss different parts of a circle, and the first thing is sector. A sector is the area between two radii of the circle. The minor sector is the smaller of the two sectors shown in yellow. You can see in yellow, this region is minor sector. The major sector is the larger of the two sectors. So this is the major sector. Next is arc. An arc is a section of the circumference. You can see the circle circumference in two colors, the yellow one and the blue one. Both are called arc. One is major arc and the other is minor arc. The yellow one is minor arc and the blue one is major arc because it is larger of the two and the minor is smaller of the two. A chord is any line whose two end points lie on the circumference. You can see this line has its two end points on the circumference, so this is called the chord. Going by the definition, diameter is the longest chord on a circle. A segment is the section of a circle produced by dividing it with a chord. This is a chord, and the two parts in which it is divided, they are called segment. The one with a smaller area is minor segment. The one with larger area is major segment. Also, you can say the one which includes center is major segment, and the one which does not include center of the circle is called minor segment. Now, finding area of minor sector. So here is a circle whose radius is 4 cm and the sector inside it has an angle of 60 degree, and we are required to find the area of this minor sector. This sector area we have to find. This sector is a fraction of the whole circle, so we need to find out what fraction it is. Our sector takes up 60 degree out of 360 degree in the entire circle. So the fraction is 60 by 360 of the circle. This means that the sector contains this fraction of the total area of the circumference of the circle. Total area and circumference of the circle. Area of circle is pi r square and r is 4, so 16 pi is the area of circle. For now we leave pi in this area because it is more accurate than using a rounded off decimal. So area of sector would be 60 by 360, the fractional part, times 16 pi, which gives us 60 divided by 360 times 16 times pi, which finally in decimal gives us 8.38 centimeters square. And the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, which is equal to 8 pi in this case because radius is 4, so 4 times 2, 8 pi. And length of arc will be 60 by 360 times 8 pi. Length of this arc will be 8 pi times 60 by 360, which finally gives us 4.19 centimeter, the length of the arc. This is second example where we are going to find the area and arc length of major sector. Major sector area and length of major arc. So this sector is a fraction of the whole circle. The sector takes up 280 degree out of 360. You can see here it is mentioned 280 degree out of 360. 280 by 360, which simplifies to 7 by 9. So fraction of the circle will be 7 by 9. This means the major sector contains this fraction of total area and the circumference of the circle. The area of circle will be pi r square. So 25 pi, because pi is 5, and the area of the sector will be 7 by 9 times 25 pi. 7 times 25 by 9 pi, that finally gives you 175 by 9 pi centimeter square, and circumference of the circle will be 2 pi r, that is equal to 10 pi, and length of the arc will be 7 by 9 times 10 pi, which is 70 by 9 pi centimeter. I feel so far everything that I explained in the previous slides were clear to you. Then here you have few questions. Find the area of each sector and arc length. Use decimals for the first two sector and exact answer for the third one. So here is this diagram, not to scale. Round the decimal to 1 decimal point. Round the decimal answers to 1 decimal point. So this is given to you as your homework, and you just complete these and then let me know your answers in the comment section. That's all for today in this video. We will see in next video from the next topic of this arc, sector and segment.